In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem promo code on Duolingo. If you've received a promo code for Duolingo, maybe for a trial of Super Duolingo or another special offer, redeeming it only takes a minute, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. Using Google keeps things simple and helps you land on the official Duolingo redemption page without guessing URLs. In the search bar, type Duolingo redeem codes. You should see a result titled Redeem a Promotional Code, Super Duolingo. Make sure the link is from duolingo.com before you click. That's how you avoid lookalike pages or outdated instructions. Click that result to open the official redemption page. You'll arrive at duolingo.com redeem. Front and center, you'll see a box labeled Enter Your Code to get started. Grab your promo code and paste it into that field. If you're typing it manually, take a moment to check for common mistakes. Watch out for confusing characters like the letter O and the number 0 or the number 1 and a capital I. Also remove any extra spaces that might sneak in when copying and pasting. Some codes are case sensitive or include hyphens, so enter it exactly as provided. When the code is in place, click the Redeem button. At this point, Duolingo will apply the offer to your account. If you're not signed in, you may be prompted to log in or create an account so the benefits attach to the right profile. It's a good idea to confirm you're on the account you actually use for your lessons before you proceed. If the page shows an error, like invalid expired or already used, double check the characters, try removing extra spaces, and confirm any expiration date or usage limits. Some promotions are region specific or tied to a particular plan, so make sure your code matches the offer you received. If the code came from an organization, check their instructions for any extra requirements. Once redeemed successfully, you'll see a confirmation on screen, and the perks should appear in your account shortly. That's all there is to it. Go to Google, search for Duolingo redeem codes, pick the official Redeem a Promotional Code page, enter your code, and click Redeem. Follow these tips and you'll unlock your Duolingo promotion quickly and safely. Thanks for watching and enjoy your learning streak.